And I want to give a shout out to Boot Barn right now, y'all. So they have an awesome special, okay? They take care of their customers. They have a warranty for their boots, all right? A 1-year warranty. If they get all jacked up, you know, like ripped or torn, you can replace them, all right, for free, okay? So that's their warranty, y'all. So I bought this exact pair in July, all right? And they're like all ripped up from the bottom and everything just because of the rotted, you know, because the water and mud and the heat. All right, so I got the same one, y'all. This boot was originally $149.39. Okay, I went back. I asked them, hey, you know, can I get my boot replaced? Like, sure. They just looked me up in the system. Yep, they're under warranty. You bought them in July. Yeah, you know, you're within the year. So look, y'all got the same boot, waterproof. All right. Hey, I like this boot. It's waterproof. It has good support. I prefer them. I prefer my Lawncare boot to go above the ankle. Okay, that's just me, y'all. All right, there's no such thing as a Lawncare shoe, a Lawncare boot. There's only a good thing as good Lawncare footwear, or just good footwear, y'all. Just make sure you got some. These are like, I like them, y'all, all right? They're awesome. They're waterproof, okay? They're great, all right? Hey, shout out to Boot Barn. Thank you, Boot Barn, for their awesome warranty. Hey, they also give you a, you know, disc, you know, like Christmas, your birthday discount. All right, they send you stuff over to your email, like specials and everything, discount, and you can also overlap your little specials and discounts. All right, something like that, y'all. Anyway, y'all, go to your nearest Boot Barn. Ask them what deals they got, and like their little specials or their birthday discounts and other discounts they got. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, have a prosperous lawn care season. Get some good footwear. Make sure they got some good traction underneath, all right? You don't want to be slipping, all right? Off your trailer ramp, all right? Or down the ditch, okay, when it gets slippery, all right? All right, hey, God bless. See you on the next video, and thank you, and goodbye.